The Buddha says wherever there is 4 Sangha members or more, the Dharma in that place will grow. So therefore, we are as ordinary people or seekers of spirituality supposed to make offerings. If you want to know the truth, supposed to make offerings to the Sangha, not take. In Tibetan tradition, in Thai tradition, in ancient Buddhist tradition, or any Buddhist tradition, you're not allowed to take anything from the Sangha. Nothing. The worst is to have your mind focused on taking from the Sangha. Whether it's food, whether it's money, whether it's getting something from the Sangha, wishing to acquire something from the Sangha, is a very negative type of karma. Why? It will increase your grasping. If the Sangha offers you money, if the Sangha gives you help, if the Sangha gives you assistance for any reason, and it is for you to do Dharma work, and your Dharma work is sincere, and you receive it with 2 hands, you receive it graciously, you receive it with a lot of gratitude, that's a little different. It's still not correct, but it's a little different. But if you actually wish to take from the Sangha, wish to get from the Sangha, wish to even cheat the Sangha, you actually throw your spirituality out the window.